Hello Stitchery Lovers, welcome back. Today I am going to do a review video and unbagging for the products I have received from the Biggestcraft. They are a new store specializing in cross-stitch and cross-stitch surrounding. They have a wide ranges of products of cross-stitch kits, pre-stamped or counted cross-stitch. They also sell accessories like clamps, hoops, needles, threads, and any kind of cross-stitch accessories to start a cross-stitch project. So if this is something that interests you, I will be including their link in the description box below. Wonderful, so let's start unbagging. Let's start with the first one I have chosen, which is the fixing clamp. I thought these clamps would be ideal for big projects. Some of my projects are quite big, so this will hold the fabric in place while stitching. And these are very handy to have, so you can find this in their website under the accessories section. The next one I have chosen is the Pleasant Landscape 14 count counted cross stitch. The actual size of this design is 50 by 40 centimeter or 19.69 by 15.75 inches. It also comes with a pattern. It comes with a pre-gridded fabric, which is very nice. It has white edge size of 1.18 inches. The next one that is included in this kit is a one needle. I believe this is size 24. Also, it comes with beautiful soft cotton threads. You can refer to the pattern to find the right symbols that coincides with these numbers. So the next one I opted for is the Alice in Wonderland kit. The size of this design is 243 by 331 inches. It comes with a pattern. The actual photo is not clear here in this pattern, so I am going to insert it here so that you can see what it looks like. The pattern has the instructions for how to start cross-stitching also, so this is very easy to follow. It also comes with these tools to complete this project. It contains one thread remover, 6 pieces of needles, one floss bobbin, one needle threader, and finally one gold thimble. Move on to the next one. The fabric is also included in this kit. As you can see, it has this pre-printed measurement of 10 by 10 grids, and on the right side of this fabric you will find the numbers, symbols, and different colors of threads. And on the upper right corner of the fabric, you will see the photo of the design. One more thing, the edges of this fabric has already been sewed, so this fabric won't get frayed. Last but not the least, this kit comes with 46 different colors of cotton threads. So that's it. These kits are inexpensive and fully completed to start a new project, whether you are a beginner or an experienced stitcher. They have plenty of beautiful designs of cross-stitch kits, products to choose from. I also included the products link in the description box below. I think for the count and cross stitch, I am getting used to pre-gridding it so that I don't make a mistake. Otherwise, without it, I can easily make a mistake on this one. And also I am stitching on a 10 by 10 grid. Each time I stitch the counted cross stitch because it's much more. I think this is going to be a challenge for me. I opt for a counted cross stitch because try and do a review about counted cross stitch. So and see how it goes. So far so good. Not having any issues. The only thing is it's going to be tiring for me looking at the stitching as well as looking at the pattern. But hey, I'm enjoying it. And I am definitely going to use the blue pen, the water soluble pen, to pre-grid this fabric. I think it's really working for me. hope you enjoyed this video for today about reviewing and testing these products. I hope you had a nice time and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!